IDTECK Access Controller. The excellence and stability of IDTECK Access Controller has been proved by more than 50,000 enterprise-grade site installation and operation in the world. Based on the certifications such as UL, ULC, FCC, CE, KCC, RoHS and company certifications ISO9001 and ISO14001. iMDC is an access controller that controls 32 doors, consists of a main board and RIM boards. One piece of iMDC-MAIN controls and monitors up to 16 pieces of iMDC-RIM that consists of 2 reader interface, 8 supervised input and 8 output interface. iMDC-MAIN stores up to 200,000 user IDs and 400,000 event data, and expandable to control up to 32 reader interface, 128 supervised inputs and 128 outputs. iMDC Special Features. Centralized Installation. iMDC is divided into the main and RIM, and this structure enables the main controller is installed in the most secured center separately from RIM, and the RIM is installed closest to each door. Redundant system. Redundant system processing keeps the system run with the backup system. In case the first iMDC-MAIN fails as active controller, the second iMDC-MAIN is activated as a backup controller, and takes over the first iMDC-MAIN's operations, and this redundant system ensures the system operating in any circumstances. Scalable architecture. iMDC has a scalable architecture that can be expanded to thousands doors and multi-sites in multi-countries. Third-party integration. iMDC provides input and output interface to connect lock, sensors, turnstiles, boom barriers with control board, and supports multi-Wiegand format, so as to be fully compatible with any third-party readers through Wiegand. IEDC is 8-door controller consists of IFDC and eRIO with up to 200,000 user IDs and 400,000 event buffers. IEDC controls and monitor up to 8 readers, 16 supervised inputs and 16 outputs, and inputs and output can be expanded up to each 88 points with UIM and UOM. IFDC, IEDC Special Features. Web Embedded. IFDC/IEDC controller can be configured and monitored at any time and anywhere around the world through its embedded web software, and it enables the separate access control and time attendance software is not required. Input and Output Expansion Board. One piece of IFDC/IEDC can be used with up to 4 units of UIM input module and 4 units of UOM output module, and control and monitors up to 88 supervised inputs and 88 outputs, and these interfaces enables to extensive sensor, alarm and elevator monitoring. PoE. IFDC/IEDC can be powered up with PoE, Power over Ethernet, for easy installation. Scalable architecture. IFDC/IEDC has a scalable architecture that can be expanded to thousands doors and multi-sites in multi-countries. Third-party integration. IFDC/IEDC provides input and output interface to connect lock, sensors, turnstiles, boom barriers with control board, and supports multi-Wiegand format, so as to be fully compatible with any third-party readers through Wiegand.